Sum number 13. A glycerin flows steadily through a horizontal tube of length 1.5 meter. Okay, data भी हम लिखते जाएंगे. So here you can say that the length L is equal to 1.5 meter and the radius R is equal to 1 centimeter, that is the 10 raised to minus 2 meter. If the amount of glycerin collected per second at one end is 4 into 10 raised to minus 3, sorry it is a 3, 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram per second. Okay, that means here you can say that the mass collected per second is 4 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, mass collected per second, that is equal to 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram per second. What is the pressure difference between the two ends of a tube? What is the pressure difference? Okay, the density of the glycerin 1.3 into 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube, and the viscosity, that is equal to 0.83 Pascal into second. Okay, now friends, mass collected per second is given. Okay, radius is given, L is given, you want to find out the pressure, density is given, and theta is given. Okay, तो यहाँ पर we can say that the volume. Okay, तो volume कैसे find करेंगे? So here you have given the mass collected per second. Here you have given mass collected per second. That is, the second को हम 1 unit भी consider कर सकते हैं here. That is equal to, you can say 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram per second. Therefore, volume of fluid per second. What is the volume of the fluid? So here you can say volume V, that is equal to mass per second upon the density. What is the mass per second? 4 into 10 raised to minus 3, and density, that is a 1.3 into 10 raised to 3. So here you can say it is a 4 upon 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter cube per second. Okay, you can say it is a mass per second, not meter per second. ये जो है mass per second है. Okay, not meter per second, right? You can say it is a mass per second. So kilogram per second. Okay, and density is equal to mass upon volume, right? So your volume numerator में चला जाएगा. So your answer will be meter cube per second. Okay, done. अब यहाँ पर हम यूज करेंगे एक इक्वेशन दैट यू टू एक्सेप्ट विदाउट प्रूफ. ओके, कौन सा इक्वेशन है बताता हूं मैं. नाउ यूजिंग पॉइजनस formula, it is accept without proof volume per unit time pi p r raised to 4 upon 8 eta L. Okay, therefore your pressure will be 8 V eta L upon pi r raised to 4. Okay, all the data is given. That is the 8. What is the V? Okay, पहले eta लिख लेते हैं. What is the eta? So you can say it is a 0.83. What is the length? 1.5. Pi 3.14. And what is the radius? 10 raised to minus 2. So you can say it is a 10 raised to minus 8 into V है 4 upon 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 6. So when you solve this, then your answer is 9.8 into 10 raised to 2 Pascal, right? So here once again this equation is accept without proof. Next sum, in test experiment of a model aeroplane in a wind tunnel, the flow speed on the upper and the lower surface of the wing are 70 meter per second and 63 meter per second. That is, here you can say V1 is equal to 70 meter per second, V2 63 meter per second. What is the lift on the wing if its area, what is the area? 2.5 meter square. Take the density of the air 1.3 kilogram per मीटर क्यूब. ओके, आपको लिफ्ट फाइंड करना है. दैट मीन्स हियर यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट द फोर्स, दैट इज द लिफ्ट इज योर क्वेश्चन मार्क. राइट फ्रेंड्स, तो ये केस में हम क्या फाइंड करने वाले हैं? दैट इज द फोर्स, दैट इज द लिफ्ट. तो ये कैसे होगा? तो इट इज अ प्रेशर फोर्स. It is nothing but it is what? Pressure force. That is the difference of pressure. Okay, किस पर लगेगा? Wind, wings, right? Wings का area given है. So P2 minus P1 into A. मतलब यहाँ पर हम यूज करेंगे Bernoulli's equation. Okay, that means here using Bernoulli's equation, so P1 plus 1 by 2 rho V1 square plus H1 rho G P2 plus 1 by 2 rho P2 square plus H2 rho G. Okay, so in a wind tunnel, that means here you can say for horizontal, you can say H1 is equal to H2. That is, here H1 rho G H2 rho G, मतलब ये जो दो टर्म है वो कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. राइट, therefore P1 plus 1 by 2 rho V1 square P2 plus 1 by 2 rho V2 square. Okay, therefore difference of pressure P2 minus P1 1 by 2 rho V1 square minus V2 square. Right, you can say this equation number 1. So due to this pressure difference, due to this pressure difference wing experience lift. Okay, so here this lift is given by, so lift on wing, that is a pressure difference P2 minus P1 into area. Okay, what is the P2 minus P1? That is the 1 by 2 rho V1 square minus V2 square into area. Okay, area is given 2.5 meter square. That is a 1 by 2. Okay, what is the rho? 1.3. V1 square 70 square minus 63 square into 2.5. So when you solve this, then your answer will be 1512.9 Newton, or you can say 1.5 into 10 raised to 3 Newton, right? So it is a lift on the wing. Next, the cylindrical tube of a spray pump has a cross section area 8 centimeter square. डेटा लिखते जाएंगे. You can say A1 8 centimeter square. One end which has 40 fine holes. N is equal to 50 and each having a diameter that is a 1 mm. If the liquid flow inside the tube is 1.5 meter per minute, you can say V1 is equal to flow inside 1.5, you can say it is a 15 or 1.5, mistake is here, 1.5, yes, it is a 1.5 meter per minute, 1.5 meter per minute, that is a 1.5 by 60 meter per second. What is the speed of ejection of the liquid through the holes? Right? Chalo. Now see, for hole, radius is equal to half of the diameter. That is, you can say it is a 0.5 mm. That is a 5 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. Okay, radius is here. Okay. Now cross section area of the hole will be pi r square. Okay. So cross section that is equal to pi r square. It is for hole. तो इसको हम पूरा हमारा डेटा ही कंसीडर कर लेते हैं. And number of hole n is equal to 40. Okay. तो यहाँ पर हम A2 कहेंगे 40 pi r square. What is it? It is a 40 pi r square, right? That means here you can say A2 is equal to 40 3.14 and you can say r square 5 into 10 raised to minus 4 whole square, right? Now with what speed? Here you want to find out what? V2. Okay, so here A and V के बीच में relation, that is the equation of continuity. Okay, that means here you can say that according to equation of continuity, you can say A1 V1 A2 V2. Therefore V2 is equal to A1 V1 upon A2. What is the A1? 8 centimeters square. You can say 8 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. 8 into 10 raised to minus 4. V1, that is a 1.5 by 60 upon A2, 40 into 3.14, 25 into 10 raised to minus 8. So friend, when you solve this, then your answer will be 0.637 meter per second. What is it? 0.637 meter per second. Next one. A U-shaped wire is dipped in a soap solution and removed. The thin soft film formed between the wire and the light slider support a weight that is F 1.5 10 raised to minus 2 Newton, which is including a small weight of a slider. The length of the slider is 30 centimeter. L is equal to 30 centimeter. What is the surface tension of the film? So the 30 centimeter, that means you can say it is a 0.3 meter. Okay, चलो कैसे को solve करेंगे? So here this soft film has the soft has two free surface, so surface tension is given by S is equal to F upon 2L. What is F? 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2. 2 into, what is the length? You can say it is a 0.3. So your answer will be 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton per meter. Right? So by this way the sum is